Hello viewers, let's see the fantastic function of restore button in between minimize and close button of Windows. So let's split the screen into different sections for swift switching of different apps. Now you can see 5 different apps are open on window, and let's open anyone to see the stunning function of restore button. So let me open any XYZ and let me come close to restore button, and now you can see this interface. Let me divide the PC into two active windows, on left browser and on right this PC. Now I can switch anytime easily without any delay. Now let's split the screen into 3. Now let's go and hover over the restore button, and now you can see on left side a larger part covered by browser and 2 smaller parts on right side by this PC and the media player. Now let's go and hover over the restore button and let's split the screen into 4 equal parts. Now you can see parent, browser, this player, media player and this PC. I can activate any part or any app available on my screen. Now let's divide the screen into 3 parts, left side larger and right side smaller. So let me choose this one and it's divided into 3 parts. Now let's divide the screen into 2 parts, left side larger and right side smaller. So hover over this and you can choose this window. Now you can see a larger part covered by browser and 4 other are covered in left side and a smaller area. Now let's divide the screen into 2 parts, left side small and right side larger. So let me choose this one. Now you can see the others have 4 small windows and on left side it's a larger area for working. I can click and activate any part or any app I wish instantly. So through this way you can keep switching from one app to another and another to another without wasting time and great ease. Thanks for watching.